Welcome to Emilac Online tutorial. Before us is this dimensional analysis question in physics that says find the dimension of time in a system in which mass, length, and force are taken as the fundamental unit. Alright, for us to get started, now time, t, now equals mass, length, and the force. Alright, okay, now so we can just say, and the dimension of time is t. Now the dimension of mass is in meter, so here you have your x. The dimension of the length here, length is in meter, that is L, that will be y. Now for force, now take note that force equals to what? Meter mass times acceleration, which gives us the unit kilogram meter per second square, which is also unit, in Newton rather. So with this, the dimension of this will give us m l t raised to the power minus 2. Alright, if I were to plug it here, we have m l t raised to the power minus 2, then z. Okay, no, let me not use z because of these two, they look alike. Let me use w. Okay, now say you have that t equals to m raised to the power x, then l raised to the power y. Now here we have that m raised to the power of w, then l raised to the power of w, and t raised to the power of minus 2w, which means when we multiply the power through the parameters in the brackets. Now let us collect like 10. We have that t will give us m, we have m and m here but different powers, so we sum up the powers according to the law of indices. A raised to the power of x times a raised to the power of y will give us a raised to the power of what? X plus what? Y. Okay, now we have the L and L here also of different power, so we sum. Then we have t raised to the power of minus 2w. Now there's a problem here. Here we have m and l which are not represented at the left hand side, so we just introduce them as 1 1. So here by introducing, that will be m raised to the power of 0, then l raised to the power of 0, then t, which is this. Now take note that why I'm introducing this is to ensure that we conform to the left hand side and the right hand side when equating. So then equals m raised to the power of x plus w, then l raised to the power of y plus w, and t raised to the power of minus 2w. Now we can now equate the left and the right hand side. Now for here we have m and m, so here we have m raised to the power of 0 equals m raised to the power of x plus w. Then for l raised to the power of 0 equals to l raised to the power of what? Y plus w. And for the t, we have t raised to the power of 1, then equals to t raised to the power minus 2w. Now to this effect, now we can say here for number 1 that 0 equals x plus w, then here 0 equals y plus w, and here we have 1 equals minus 2w. And the reason is, since they have the same base, we can equate their power, the same base, equate their power, the same base, equate their power. Okay, so with this here we can see from this equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. From equation 3 we can see that w equals minus 1 over 2, right? Okay, now let us plug in. Now from here, equation 2, we know that y plus w equals what? 0. Plugging in minus or negative half. Here we have y negative 1 over 2 equals what? 0. So y will definitely give us 1 over what? 2 as our answer. Now if y equals to 2 here, the same vein here, we have x plus w equals what? 0. Then x will, w here is, do we have the value of w, okay, w is negative 1 over 2, which is what, 0. So our x will give us 1 over 2. Okay, so from here, then the dimension here now be x and y. So t will give us, for our m, then our x is giving us 1 over 2, our w minus 1 over 2, then times L, our y is 1 over 2 times w, our w is what, w minus 1 over 2, then our time, then t, that will be minus 2, then our w is negative 1 over 2. Alright, so here we have that t now equals, this minus this will give us 0, m raised to the power 0, then l raised to the power 0, and t, this will cancel this, 1 times 1 will give us what, 1. So the dimension of time equals what, t. Final answer. Alright, if you love what I've just done, can you subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos in physics and chemistry, physics, maths and chemistry. Thank you and God bless you.